In this video, I'm going to show you how to trace a PNG logo to vector with Affinity. Now, as you can see here in my document, I have my logo of my YouTube channel, and I'm going to show you how to trace this with Affinity to a vector, okay? So the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to input a logo in here. So we could go to File, and then you could go to here where it says Place, and you could just basically open up your logo. So for example, this one, and click on Open, click on your screen, and it's going to pop in, and then you simply want to click on it to select it. You want to go to the Vector tab, click on Vector up top, and then you want to click on Image Trace. What this will do here for the first time, it may look a bit weird. So as you can see over here, it's got like these weird shadows and it's a bit dirty. So what you can do is go ahead and adapt this edge threshold over here to actually make it perfect. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm gonna go through, there we go. Let's say I want it to look like this. Now it doesn't look exactly the same, but of course from logo to logo, it depends on how complex it is. It's going to basically adapt it according to your own preference. So let me just actually drag this to the very far right over here and this to the very far left. And now let's just, for the instance of this video, say that this is now okay and this is now the vector I want. Okay, so to do this, you can of course, as I said, put on this slider for the curve fitting tolerance and the edge threshold as well, and then you can click on this split view here to be able to see how it looked before and how it looked after. So it is a bit different in my case, as you can see here. That's because it's got like a lot of shading and stuff like that. So this is much easier to do with easier and more simple logos which don't have any shadings and stuff like that. But for me, this is gonna be sufficient, so I'm going to just click on that again to actually disable the split view, and then whenever I click on the apply button, it's going to apply everything. And over here on the right hand side, I can now click on this arrow down, and as you can see, every single thing on this image has now been basically divided into a separate part, which is actually part of my vector logo. So here, as you can see, if I zoom in, I can go ahead and mark every single thing. I can put it out of my logo, and I can then, of course, customize it, move it around, stuff like that. And every single small part has been basically cut out and made into a vector. So that's essentially how you do it. That's the whole process. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.